Alright, you call it what hopeless.
Okay, Nate's getting shot in the back from about... Nate, how far out do you think you are? What? Okay, he's probably about 50 feet away. That's where he's going to be. He's going to get shot with this, with .25 gram BBs. I just got shot with it. It hurts. Yeah. Just once. Where'd that hit you? I was too. I just did the hop up though, so it might have been screwed up. Are you kidding? You're insane. Yeah, it hurts. I'm not shooting you. Yeah, I know. You shot me. I'm like, ow. Come on, let's see if...
Did you stop recording?
No.